validate the existing evidence on the connection between obesity and hair loss in the highlighted role of insulin resistance, inflammation, and hormonal imbalances in both obesity and hair loss. The article. Welcome back to Alpha Mode, the YouTube channel where we talk about hair, health, fitness and lifestyle. Today we have an intriguing and important topic to discuss that affects millions of people worldwide. Is obesity causing hair loss? So hair loss is a common concern for many. In this video we will delve into the connection between obesity and hair loss. So if you're worried about your thinning hair and you're looking for answers, you come to the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our future updates. Hair loss is a subject that many of us are familiar with. It can be caused by various factors such as genetics, age, hormonal imbalances, and stress. But recently, researchers have been investigating the link between obesity and hair loss. Could your weight be playing a role in your receding hairline? Let's find out. To better understand the connection between obesity and hair loss, let's dive into the science behind it. Studies have shown that excessive weight gain can lead to hormonal imbalances, particularly an increase in insulin levels. Elevated insulin levels can trigger inflammation, affecting the hair follicle's health and leading to hair thinning and shedding. Additionally, obesity may disrupt hormonal signals that are essential for hair growth, leading to hair loss over time. Your nutrition and diet plays a massive significant role in both obesity and hair health. Food high in unhealthy fats and sugars can contribute to weight gain, and at the same time it can impact your hair follicles' health. Nutrient deficits caused by poor dietary choice can also affect hair growth, and therefore maintaining a balanced diet and consuming essential vitamins and minerals is crucial for healthy hair and overall well-being. If this has caught your interest, I have placed a few links down below in the description for studies that I personally have used for this video regarding the role of nutrition. Aside from the diet, certain lifestyle factors associated with obesity can also contribute to hair loss. For instance, a sedentary lifestyle may hinder blood circulation to the scalp, affecting the hair follicle's nourishment, and stuff like stress, often linked to both obesity and hair loss, can further aggravate the condition. Engaging in regular physical activities and managing stress can therefore be beneficial not just for you, but for your weight and also your hair health. So now let's explore some articles that provide support for the potential link between obesity and hair loss. These studies contribute valuable insights to our understanding of how weight and hair health might be interconnected. The first study I have here is called The Association Between Obesity and Androgenic Alopecia in Men. It is a systematic review and a meta-analysis. The source is from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology. This review examined multiple studies to investigate the association between obesity and androgenic alopecia, which is male pattern baldness in men. The results indicated a significant positive correlation between obesity and the risk for developing androgenic alopecia. Researchers found that excessive weight might exacerbate the hormonal imbalances responsible for hair loss in men. This article is from Dermatology, Practical and Conceptual. And to summarize it quickly, the research article explored the potential impact of obesity in female pattern hair loss. The study examined both clinical data and cellular mechanisms and found a plausible link between obesity-related factors such as insulin resistance, as we just talked about in the previous study, and chronic inflammation and the development or progression of the female pattern hair loss in women. The findings suggest that managing weight and related factors might help mitigating the female pattern hair loss, but this also goes for the same for men. So the last study I brought for you today, guys, is called So a quick summary of this article as well. The review article aimed to consolidate the existing evidence on the connection between obesity and hair loss in the highlighted role of insulin resistance, inflammation, and hormonal imbalances in both obesity and hair loss. The article also emphasized the importance of lifestyle modifications, including weight management, in potentially reducing the risk of hair loss associated with obesity. These articles provide compelling evidence for the potential association between obesity and hair loss, while more research is still required to fully understand the mechanisms. The information from these studies can serve as a valuable foundation for further exploration and discussion. Remember guys, it is essential to stay informed and be proactive about our overall health, including weight management and hair care. And if you have any concerns about hair loss or other related issues, consider consulting with a healthcare professional or a dermatologist who can provide personalized advice and guidance. So if you are concerned about hair loss and the potential link between obesity, here are some tips that might help you maintaining a healthy hair. First off, follow a balanced and nutritious diet. Incorporate regular physical activities into your routine. Manage stress through relaxation techniques. Consult with a healthcare professional if you notice a significant hair loss. I could go on and on about how you manage your weight and how to get down in weight if that is a problem. But guys, this video is just to clarify the potential link between obesity and hair loss. And if you have some few pounds that you might need to shred, well, this might be the boost that you actually need to get on with that stuff. There you have it. While more research is definitely needed, the connection between obesity and hair loss is worth considering, especially if you already are struggling with hair loss. Taking care of your overall health, including managing your weight, can have a positive impact on your hairline. Remember to embrace a healthy lifestyle and consult with experts if you are experiencing concerning hair loss. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more and exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.